Good morning. So we got an order placed and we're about to package it. Every time I get an order, I do try to package it within that same day or definitely the same morning. Oh my god, I need some coffee, guys. It's early. So if I have time, I always like to ship it the following day. But if it's like, if they place an order by before 1 o'clock, I can definitely ship it that day if I don't have to work or anything. So let me go back for anyone who's new to my page. Me and my mom have an online business. We sell clothes mainly. That's the main thing we started with. But now we have accessories, handbags, eyelashes. We expanded so much. And every week we do pop-ups. So subscribe to the channel, get to know us and all that. So this particular order, she ordered some eyelashes, and these are, I'm in love with these eyelashes. These are actually magnetic lashes. I have some tutorials. This is how it looks. This is my personal appearance, how it looks. I have a tutorial on my page on how to apply magnetic lashes if you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm at the package. This is the only thing she ordered, and then we're gonna start this day. I don't really have a lot of stuff planned, but this is the main thing, this is a priority. We ship this first. I'm gonna show you guys how we ship it. Let me lower the camera real quick. Okay. Don't mind my room. It's a mess, I know. You know, I'll probably clean it up after I get back from the post office. I'll probably actually do I don't know, like get ready with me. I mean, or what's this video called? Like, I don't know. A reset. Anyway, so I'm gonna wrap it with tissue paper. Usually I give customers gifts over a certain amount, but literally I appreciate everyone that places an order, big or small. And if you guys want some poly mailers, I got this from Amazon. I bought 100 for like $20. I'm gonna have a link in the description box if you guys want to purchase it. They have this in black, green, blue. They have so many different colors. I like pink because it's just cute. It goes with the aesthetic. That. Oh, let me add. Sorry, forgot to add our thank you. And it has a 20% off for the next purchase. Throw that in there as well. Since this is, I don't know, I'm thinking about just like, yeah, let's make it this small. She's ready. So I'm ready to ship this thing. I really don't have nothing else to do today, but I do need to clean up. I need to film a video. I don't know what video I want to film, but like I said, like I just said, I want to like clean up and organize. This room in particular, it's a mess. I'm not even gonna lie. This room is a mess. I can't even lie. So this room is actually everything. This is like my favorite room in the house. So this is my vanity, my makeup vanity. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. You know what? After I ship this, that's what we're gonna do. Hey. Okay, I'm sorry. He gets in everything. That's my dog. Okay, so this room is everything. So this is storage for Bourgeois Boutique. You guys see right here, all this right here. I have packages down here. It's packages that's been open. I'm just haven't organized it. This makeup right, let me just show you. Please don't judge me. All my makeup. I have so much stuff I need to go through. Let me move this camera. So, okay. I'm on my iPhone recording. Usually I'm on my camera, but I'm using my iPhone right now. So yeah, I have so much stuff to clean up and organize. That'd be a cute video. So maybe after I ship this, go to the store, I'll probably do that. That's probably a cute video, I guess. So yeah, let's head out. Let's ship this. Oh, let me throw some clothes on. You guys know I'm always in a robe. That's like my favorite thing to do, to be in. So yeah, we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna go. All right, guys. So we just got here. Oh, all right. So just got here, ship this order. It is packed in here. Like, it's so many cars. There's usually never this many cars, and I realized it was a holiday yesterday. It was Martin Luther King's birthday, so nobody was able to, you know, ship anything. So let's go, guys. All right. Alright, so I just shipped her order. I just sent her an email confirmation of her tracking number. Now it's still early, it's like 10:30. I wonder, I'm trying to figure out what should I do. I do kind of want some coffee. I know I just need some creamer, so I need more creamer. So yeah, I need to do that. I am hungry too. I probably could cook some breakfast. You know what? I always say that I need to stop spending money on, like, you know, fast food and Starbucks, all that. If you guys see my other vlogs, literally I'm at Starbucks every freaking day when I have to work. So it's like I need to start saving money. I say it all the time. I'm probably to go get some breakfast food, as in like some eggs. I don't have any eggs, but I know I have potatoes at the home. So I'll probably go pick up some eggs, some creamers, and then we're gonna cook at home today. Okay, so I'm back from all the errands I had to do. I had to ship the orders and all that. It's actually been, oh, I have two phones right here. So it's actually 3:45. I got home probably a couple hours ago. I catched up on my shows. Caught up on some YouTube video. I don't know, I keep on trying to fix this. Okay, I caught up on some YouTube videos. Now it's time to clean this mess. Yeah, I want to clean up, kind of organize it a little bit. I put my hair up and it's about to go down. I'm going to get on live on TikTok as well, because why not? So this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. This is where I do my YouTube videos, my makeup, my vanities here. Bourgeois Boutique, our storage is here in this closet. But all right here, I'm going to show you guys in a minute how it looks. I'm sorry, I'm multitasking. I'm about to get on live. All right here is a mess. And I can admit, like, me and mom are so busy. We are busy. We work. We still work a regular job. We do Bourgeois Boutique. You know what I mean? We do. So it's like we don't have that much time. Well, actually, you do have enough time during the day. But I mean, when we got for work, but we get so tired. You know what I mean? But today was my day off. And so I'm like, I'm going to utilize all the time I have in this day, because next week I could go back to school. So yeah, I want this room to be at least a little presentable, a little bit. I do need to organize my room too. That's gonna be another video, because my room is a mess. I have so much new clothes that is not hung up yet, and I also have new packages that I haven't even opened. Yeah, I've been doing some shopping. I have 2 trips planned this year, so I want some more trips planned, but these 2 trips are coming within a couple more months. So I'm like, I need to make sure I have enough clothes for that. I need to do some try-on hauls. That's why those packages haven't been open. I just need to get more organized. So I want to play some music, so I'm going to have to do like some non-copyright music over this video. So yeah, I'm not going to talk anymore. Let's play some music, get in the mood. Like I said, I'm just going to organize it the best way I can. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm actually going to end the vlog here. I know today was not as eventful as I expected it to be, but hey, I didn't have nothing to do really. I'm still so grateful for the person who did place an order. Anytime I get an order, I get so excited and I'm so appreciative. I know my business is small, but I know it's growing. This just tells me that my business is growing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I say in every video, I have been so consistent on YouTube. I have been uploading at least 3 videos a week. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.